It's completely transformed my life. I'm now at a point where I'm consciously making good choices for my health. I was really focused on specific health conditions that I wanted to basically eradicate. I had a lot of measurable results from when I started to where I am now. So I achieved my weight goal. So it wasn't just weight. I mean, it was proven results in just about every single area as far as cholesterol, my lipid panels, my triglycerides were drastically reduced. And that was one of my big goals. Going through the whole program was incredible, mainly because I had fantastic coaches. They matched me up very well with a coach that really understood my needs and what I was trying to achieve. And he was there every step of the way. It's easier to go for a jog and not have extra weight affecting my lower back. I just signed up for a half marathon and I'm looking at getting back into triathlons again. Achieving a goal like that has eluded me for so long, and I've tried so many things and none of them sustained results like I achieved with MetPro.